Hello! Today we're going to be making the Tannenbaum truck. Last week we learned that Baum means tree in German, so a Tannenbaum is a Christmas tree in this context. Literally, it means a fir tree or a spruce tree, but we won't get caught up in semantics. Let's make a craft. Start by opening up your craft kit.
Inside your craft kit, you'll find a green sparkly pipe cleaner, 5 red popsicle sticks, 2 buttons, a paper straw, silver glitter paper, and some string. For this craft, you'll also need a pair of sharp scissors and some kind of glue. I'm using hot glue, but you can use Elmer's glue. Optionally, a photograph, either of yourself or of somebody you love. Let's get started. First, we're going to cut a popsicle stick to form this little piece and this long piece. Take your first popsicle stick and make a cut about 2/3 of the way down. I've provided 1 extra popsicle stick just in case yours breaks. Keep an eye out because the little end might go flying. Our second cut will form this middle piece and the roof of the truck. Grab a second popsicle stick and cut it just over halfway down. Again, watch out because the little end loves to go flying. Here we have our first cut and our second. Now we're going to lay them where they belong, keeping in mind this is the back of the ornament. The little nub goes in the very back. The longest cut goes at the front at a slight slant. The second longest goes straight up and down right in the middle, and the final piece is the roof, but we'll glue that on from the front. Now we'll go ahead and glue everything down. I like to start with the little nub because it keeps the other popsicle sticks nice and stable. Then we flip the truck over and place the roof on last. Now we'll attach our button wheels by adding a dot of glue at the end of both popsicle sticks. And just like that, the body of your truck is complete. Now you've got a tough decision to make. Would you prefer a shiny silver window or a photograph? I'll do the photograph example first. We've only got 1 shot at this, so making very careful movements, we cut the photograph to the shape of the window. If you don't have the perfect photo on hand, no worries, that's what this glitter paper is for. Whichever window you prefer, attach it to your truck with a little glue on each side of the window frame. Moving on to the tree, grab your pipe cleaner and wrap it in a spiral around your ring and pinky finger. You might use a different finger, this is just what I found works best for me. And ba-bam! You have the basic tree shape. Now you're going to have to do a little bit of fiddling to make your tree more compact, more fluffy, and get those rings just right. Once you've got a tree shape that you like, take your paper straw and add a generous amount of glue on the upper half. Slide your pipe cleaner on top and press to make sure it's nice and sturdy. At this point, you might do a little more fiddling just to make sure your tree is right. Once you're satisfied with your tree, squeeze the base of the paper straw to flatten it out so it's easier to attach to your truck. Add a generous amount of glue to the flattened end and press it onto your truck where the popsicle stick meets the paper. Now all that's left is to attach the string. I like to glue it on either side of the truck, but you can also squidge it up in the middle, just depends how you want it to hang. And just like that, you're finished. It looks awesome.
Once you've completed your Tannenbaum truck, hang it on the Christmas tree or give it to someone special. I'll be back next week with another ornament tutorial, but until then, tschüss!